Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the APEMAN mini dash cam with hidden design. This is the C370 version of the dash camera. It has a full 1080p HD display here. It's supposed to record in that, I guess, and discrete design. 170-degree wide-angle lens, a 1.5-inch LCD screen, f1.8 wide aperture, automatically create balanced images and footage. G sensor sense sudden movement, and freeze image, motion detection, start auto recording when motion is detected. So it can be kind of like a security camera thing too, I guess. All right, let's get on with the unboxing here. So this runs about $40 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Also, I will be doing a review video as well as a demonstration, so I'll be setting it up and showing you how it looks and stuff, the video from the actual product here. And I'll leave that link in the description below when I get that done. So has a nice little hello, thank you card from APEMAN. It's supposed to be a fairly reputable company here. My goodness, here is the here's the manual, and this is kind of intimidating. Okay, it's in multiple languages, so I was going to see if this is just in English, this is going to be a fairly in-depth thing. So it looks like we're looking at probably 10 or 15 pages of your instructions. So not bad. Nice little user's manual there in several different languages. Okay, what else we got here? Wow, that is small. I was actually thinking it was going to be bigger than that. That is actually pretty tiny there. So obviously I'm talking about the camera. And there it is, my friends. Look at that little guy. It is quite small. I'd say probably 2 inches long and maybe 1.5 inches wide there. So it hardly weighs anything too. It's like a little tiny guy there. And there is your little screen. It's a little tiny screen on there. So looks pretty cool. Looks like we got a record button on there. Different things. USB, micro USB port on the side here. And it takes a micro SD card there. I guess it's not included. You got to get one. And I guess it recommends a 32 gigabyte 10 class one. So let's see what else we have in this box. We have one that has accessories. So it's a nice little package here. It's got the boxing is pretty nice. It's got the little area here, so it has a little box that says accessories here. Let's pull that out and see what's going on. Nothing else in that one. That's just that. So now we can check out this accessories box and see what we have here. All right, let's see if we can't. I always rip this kind for some reason. It's just, unless you have like a letter opener or something to stick in there. Don't rip, don't rip. Okay, got it. All right, so in the accessory box, we have a USB to micro USB cord. We have looks like an extra additional 3M tape here. A little tool, looks like probably maybe to remove it from the window if you stick it on there. And least but not last, we have, or maybe last but not least, we have a cigarette lighter cord and power cord basically for your camera. So this looks pretty long, probably just by guesstimation I'm thinking at least 4 feet long, but let me do a quick measurement here just to make sure, just to see. Oh man, it's longer than that. It's probably 8 feet long. So a good sized cord there. So that's it. It looks like to be pretty kind of just put it right behind your mirror there, your rear view mirror, and it's just going to disappear. It's not really going to be able to like stand out. So pretty cool little camera. It's got some good reviews there on Amazon. I'm looking forward to checking out and making that video for you guys. So like I said, you'll be able to check that out in the description below. Thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. Everyone have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.